Here I've got DOOGEE Mix, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select security, which is under personal, then scroll down a bit, and here you will notice unknown sources function. Simply click on this tab to allow installation of apps from unknown sources, and come along with the notification, as your phone and personal data are more valuable to attack by apps from unknown sources, and you have to agree that solely responsible for any damage to your phone or loss of data that may result from using these apps. So that would be all. If you truly want to activate it, click on OK. And that's it. From now on, you can install applications from unknown sources. And that's all. This is how we can activate it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.